Work-life balance training. You looking to figure out how to do it? Damn, I am so excited for you. That's what we do. When we can live life on our terms, on a holistic level, taking into account not just our business lives, but also our health, all of our relationships, from friends, family, partners, the world changes. All right, so when it comes to work-life balance training, first off, congratulations, pat yourself on the back for even considering it. In this crazy world we live in, it is so challenging to transition from that reactive state of just constantly whack-a-mole noise around us into that proactive state of where it is we want to go. How can we become more intentional with our life? How can we integrate our life in a healthy way so therefore we can start to find some resemblance of balance? So with this, you're looking for training. Cool, right place. If you go to our website, doesn't cost you anything, lifeon-yourterms.com, go about halfway down the page, you're going to be able to come to a link that says Balance Wheel. If you go through, click on that, it's going to ask for some information, but it doesn't cost you anything, and it's going to it'll take about 6-7 minutes to do, and it'll give you immediate results, and they're going to be customized just for you. This is where I start with everybody that I'm working with, from my literally billion-dollar CEOs all the way down to entire leadership teams, sometimes couples. But you have to first define where you are. And with any training, and I've worked with leadership teams doing strategic work for literally over 30 years, there's 4 steps. There's stabilize, visualize, strategize, and execute. How can you stabilize, assess where we are, and stabilize so that we have some breathing room? Once you start to have some breathing room, then it's going to allow you to start to visualize where it is you want to go. When you can visualize where you want to go, well, now you're starting to get somewhere. We're going to teach you how to dream, other ways to look at things. But once you start to visualize and define where you want to go, then the next thing is going to be building a plan. How do you create a strategy so that you can execute on that plan to make sure that you can get it done? And then lastly, when you do this, how can you compassionately but ruthlessly and consistently hold yourself, or with an accountability partner or with other people, accountable to achieve your outcomes you're looking to drive? So if you'd like to learn more, hey, please check out our website. Go to lifeon-yourterms.com. Give us any feedback if you have questions, or if you have any comments, let us know. Subscribe to the channel. We'd love to hear from you. Keep smiling.